All right, y'all, we done. Let's take out batch number 1. Look how that baby looking. Ooh. Oh boy. Well, y'all know I love me some chicken wings. But today specifically, I got a taste for some Chinese chicken wings. We're gonna do them Asian style, baby. Yeah, I got some nice jumbo wings I got from the market. Man, these babies were looking nice. I could not resist. They were only $1.98 a pound. I was like, man, I gotta do that, baby. All right, let me get ready to do the seasoning up. Get this Asian flair going. All right, y'all, we're gonna get this going. This is just a guide. This is just a guide for these Chinese chicken wings. I got some of this stuff off the internet, and I said, some of the ingredients I couldn't find, some I could find, and I'm going with what I could find. So first is some soy sauce. So instead of soy sauce, what I'm using is the Bragg's liquid aminos. So it's not as salty. And it's supposed to be good for you, so we'll go with that. And it tastes very similar. Got some red wine vinegar. Do a teaspoon of that. And let me see, I'm probably gonna do maybe just a little bit of this, because it's this fish sauce. Fish sauce is real salty, y'all. So that's about all you need of that right there. All right, let's get to the dry ingredients. Throw some sugar up in here. I'm gonna do like 2 teaspoons of that. Got that out the way. Get about a teaspoon of ginger. Give it a little pop. Oh yeah. And this is supposed to be the super secret ingredient. The Chinese 5-spice powder. So let me do maybe just a teaspoon of that. It's my first time doing these. They're either gonna be fantastic or a disaster. Oh man, this 5-spice powder smells fire. Yeah. All right. 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. Bam. I think I got it, all the dry ingredients. Don't forget our pepper. All right, then we're gonna mix it up, throw some flour, throw some baking powder up in there, the water. Then we're gonna get these wings seasoned up, let them marinate for about an hour. Oh yeah. Get that egg up in there. Tell you what, this stuff smells good. All right, let's get a little bit of flour up in here. Do about 1/2 cup. Get some extra crispiness going on. Let me see, let's do like 2 teaspoons baking powder, baby. Right. Mix it up. Yeah. Starting to look good already. little water up in there. So we're not gonna coat it like a traditional fried chicken wing. You know what I'm saying? We almost gonna let the flour get like a consistency of like almost like pancake batter or something, you know, and lightly coat these wings, and it's gonna stick to it. Then we're gonna throw it in the refrigerator for about an hour and come on back to it. Yep, just like that. Let's get these babies in there. Ooh, look how big these babies are. Man, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be good. Man, these boys are big. All right. Don't be afraid to get your hands on up in there. Get them messy. Get them messy. Get that massage. Get that massage. And they nicely coated. Got the seasoning going. Woo. Hey, y'all, added a little more water. Because at first it was a little bit too thick. This is the consistency we're looking for on the wings. Just like that. Almost like just a brush coating. And that's perfect. Yeah, see how we got it now? Yeah, not all clumpy. Like I said, we gotta add a little more water. Got it like a nice pancake mix. But batter for chicken wings. So yeah, batter is perfect now. Check that out. All right, let's get this pan heated up. Got the old Dutch oven. Throw some grease up in here. Alright, that should do it there. Alright, let it heat up. Let it take its time. We ready. 350. Alright, let's get these on up in there. Nice and smooth. We're gonna do these in batches. Give these chicken wings a chance to breathe. So yeah, I'm just gonna go like that for now. It's been going about 8 minutes. Let's give it a flippity flip. Get them tips done. Yes, sir. Feel good. All right, just let them cook, baby. All right, y'all, we done. Let's take out batch number 1. Look how that baby looking. Ooh. Oh boy. Made me want to dive into them now, boy. Shoot. All right, y'all. Rinse and repeat. Batch number 2. All right. See y'all back when we finish with everything. This is the last batch of jumbo Chinese chicken wings. Oh, yeah. So, y'all, with these jumbo chicken wings, I had to let these cook a little longer. So, roughly about, 20 to 22 minutes per batch. And I was only cooking like 3 to 4 of them at a time. Y'all see how big they are? All right. Finna let these cool down a little bit. We gonna be chomping on them, y'all. Chomping on them. See what they taste like. Look at these bad boys. Ooh-wee. Tender, baby. Tender. Let's see what we got. Oh, man. It's like a Chinese restaurant, baby. Put a smile on your face. And see, the cool thing is, we didn't make it as salty as they do. And it's just right. Y'all gotta do this. Now, it's just right. If you like it a little saltier, only thing you gotta do is throw maybe like a teaspoon more of that fish sauce, or maybe 2 teaspoons of kosher salt, because I ain't put no salt in it. That's usually the fish sauce and the soy sauce. That was it. It's got plenty of flavor and salty enough. So, catch y'all on the next one. Try this one out. You ain't gonna want to go back to the Chinese restaurant and get wings again. Catch you on the next one.